Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. I am your English A teacher, class 5, month of January, chapter How I Learned to Write. So students, I have explained the chapter How I Learned to Write. Now again I repeated the How I Learned to Write, and now we are starting the chapter How I Learned to Write. Writer was a little fellow. Little fellow means a small boy. Like you people study every day. Sunday was the holiday, and the other holiday they got spent free time. So in the free time, writer was played together in the oldest day. People use horse mostly for traveling. So it was compulsory for the children to learn horse riding belong to a good families. So that was also learn skill. Riding school means the school which teach young children how to ride a horse. So the writer was the youngest of the brother. He was the smallest of the brothers, and he also learned how to ride the horse. So he was asking his father for permission. His father said, "You will fall down fall down. He is very small boy, and he wanted to learn to ride a horse, and his father is very worried what the small will do, and he cried and said, let me ride a horse. I learned how horse riding. So when Wednesday came, all three of us were taken to the riding school. We entered by a large porch, and from the large porch went to a smaller one. The porch was very large room. Instead of a floor, it had sand. And in this room were gentlemen and ladies and just such boys as we. That was the riding school. The riding school was not very light, and there was a smell of horses, and you could hear them snap whips and call to the horses, and the horses struck their hooves against the wooden walls. Porch means a covered structure attached to an entrance of the building. At the first, I was frightened and could not see things well. Then our valet means a male servant. Valet means a servant. Then our valet called the riding master over to us. He said, give these boys some horses. They are going to learn how to ride. The master said, all right. Then he looked at me and said, he is very small yet. But the valet means the male servant said, he promised not to cry when falls down. The master laughed and went away. Then they bought 3 saddles horse, and we took off our cloaks and walked down to the riding school. My brothers climbed on their horses and sat up straight and tall on the saddles. The master was holding a horse by a cord, and my brothers rode around him. At first they rode at a slow pace, and later at a trot. Then they bought a pony. It was a red color, and his tail was cut off. He was called Rudy. The master laughed and said to me, "Well, young gentleman, get on your horse." It's me, his master said, "Gentleman, get on your horse." I was both happy and afraid. The little boy said, "I was both happy and afraid, and tried to act in such a manner as not to be noticed by anybody for a long time. I tried to get my foot, but could not do it because I was too small." Then the master noticed that I was still standing by the pony. He raised me up in his hand, but put me on the saddle. "The young master is not heavy," he said, "but 2 pounds is in weight, that is all." At first he held me by my hand, but I saw that my brother were not held, and so I begged him to let go of me. He asked me, "Are you afraid? Are you not afraid?" I was very much afraid, but I said that I was not. I was so afraid because Rudy kept dropping his ear. I thought he was angry at me. The master said, "Look out, down, fall down," and let go of me. At first Rudy went at a slow pace and I sat up straight, but the saddle was sleek and I was afraid I could slip off. "Well, you fast in the saddle?" the master asked me. "Yes, I am," said. "If so, go at a slow trot," and the master clicked his tongue. Rudy started at a slow trot and began to jog me, but I kept silent and tried not to slip on side. "Oh, a fine young gentleman indeed," the master praised me. I was very glad to hear it. Just then the master's friend went up to him and began to talk with him, and the master stopped looking at me. Suddenly I felt that I had slipped a little to one side on my saddle. I wanted to straighten myself up, but was unable to do so. I wanted to call to the master to stop the horse, but I thought it would be a disgrace if I did it, and so kept silent. The master was not looking at me, and Rudy ran at a trot, and I slept still more to one side. I looked at the master and thought that he would help me, but he was still talking with his friend, and without looking at me, kept repeating, "Well done, young gentleman, well done, young gentleman." I was now altogether to one side, and was very much frightened. But I thought that I was lost, but I felt ashamed to cry. Rudy shocked me up once more, and I slept off entirely and fell to the ground. Then Rudy stopped, and then master looked. Then Rudy stopped, and the master looked at the horse and saw that I was not on him. He said, I declare my young gentleman has dropped off, and walked over to me. When I told him that I was not hurt, he laughed and said, a child's body is soft. I felt like crying. I held back my tears. I asked him to put me again on the horse, and I was lifted on the horse. After that, I did not fall again. Thus, we rode twice a week in the riding school, and I soon learned to ride and was not afraid of anything. So, students, this is the story of the boy. So, students, I gave you words to know in this chapter. Hopefully, you have completed the work in your copy. In this chapter, I gave words to know, 4 words to know. One is sports, a covered structure attached to the entrance of a building. Valet, valet means a male servant. Sleek means smooth and glossy. Fast means firmly fixed or attached. And I gave you a question answer in this chapter. First, right or wrong in front of the following statements. First question was, the boy had to study every day of the sleek. Answer was wrong. The boy had to study every day except Sunday. Answer was the wrong. Why? The boy had to study every day except Sundays. B. The youngest boy was not allowed to ride. And the answer is right. In the riding school, the youngest boy was not allowed to ride. Third question was, the boy climbed on his horse by himself. Answer was wrong. The boy climbed on to his horse with the help of the master. The boy climbed on his horse with the help of the master. D question, the boy's horse was called Rudy. Answer was right. Right. The boy's horse was called Rudy. Next question E. The master watched the boy all the time. The answer was wrong. The master looked away for sometimes. Answer was wrong. Why? The master looked away for sometimes. The last question of the exercise A. F. The boy was afraid but did not show his feelings. The answer was right. The boy was afraid but he did not show his feelings. So, question number 2. What is the message of this story? The story conveys the message that success comes only after failure. The story conveys the message that success comes only after the failure. So, students, this is your next work. Reference to contest. Read these lines from the story, then answer the question. The first is, he who does not once fall down from a horse will not learn to ride. A question is who says this and who to whom. The author's father says this to him. The author's father says this to him. The second question is what does he say before this? Answer is his father tells him he can go learn to ride a horse, but to not cry even if he falls off on it. So students, you will write the question in black pen and answer will you write to blue pen. The next question of the reference to the contest, a child's body is soft. Second question, A part, who says this? The master says this. B part, what does he say it? He says this because the author says he not hurt after falling off the horse. Third question is, what does he mean? He means to say that children often fail and seldom get hurt. So student, this is the exercise of the reference to the contest. You will write in your copy. Now move to next exercise. Choose the best answer. Choose the best answer. First, choose the best answer is the father did not want his son to learn to ride because he thought he was too light. Second, he wanted him to study. Third, he was worried that he would fall off. The answer is he was worried that he would fall off. Students, in the exercise, I write the right answer. स्टूडेंट्स, आपने तीनों ऑप्शन उतारने हैं. मैंने इस स्लाइड में सिर्फ राइट आंसर की स्लाइड शेयर की है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपने तीनों ऑप्शन उतारने हैं. देन चूज द करेक्ट आंसर पे आपने टिक करना है. सेकेंड वन इज द बॉय वॉज फ्राइटन इन द राइडिंग स्कूल बिकॉज द हॉर्स वर नॉइसी. D. It was dark and unfamiliar. Third, he could not see. The answer is it was dark and unfamiliar. Third one is the boy fell off the horse because the saddle was broken. Second, the master was not paying attention. Third, the horse threw him off. The right answer is the horse threw him off. This is the question and choose the best answer. Now move to next exercise. Can you think of homophones for the following? Note, a homophones in a word that sound the same as another but is spelled in a different way, for example there or there. Homophones means प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो होती है उनकी सेम होती है लेकिन वर्ड की जो स्पेलिंग होती है वो चेंज होती है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपने जहाँ मैंने फर्स्ट में ABCD जो मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन दिए में सेम मीनिंग्स वाले, वो आपने वन साइड ब्लैक से लिखना है और जो सेम मीनिंग लिखेंगे और स्पेलिंग चेंज होगी वो आप ब्लू पेन से लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट पार्ट है ए मेन, MANE मेन और MAIN मेन. दोनों की प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम है. मेन मीन जानवरों की गर्दन के बाल और मेन मीन अहम. MAIN मेन अहम या ज़रूरी या टेल किस्सा या कहानी, और टेल मीन दुम। दोनों की मीनिंग सेम है, दोनों की प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम है, लेकिन मीनिंग चेंज है और स्पेलिंग चेंज है। थर्ड है होर्स, होर्स, ने और ने। रेंस, रेंस, हेयर, हेयर। जी है रूड, रूड। जी है रोड और रोड। एच ए वो और वो। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपने अपना ये वर्क अपनी कॉपी में कंप्लीट करना है। ये मंथ ऑफ जनवरी का वर्क था। लास्ट टाइम मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर दिए हैं और एक्सरसाइज दी थी। आपने होपफुली वो कंप्लीट कर ली होगी। ये उसके आगे का वर्क है। आपने वर्ड्स सुनो और एक्सरसाइज जो थी क्वेश्चन आंसर की, उसके बाद रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेस्ट है, चूज द बेस्ट आंसर है, और होमोफोन से। ये आपने अपनी कॉपी में मंथ ऑफ जनवरी का वर्क करना है। इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम रिगार्डिंग द होमवर्क, आस्क मी ऑन व्हाट्सएप। थैंक यू।